Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's got the entire business world buzzing. SAP's Joule agents. Is this the AI revolution we've been waiting for, or just another overhyped tech promise? I'm going to give you the straight goods. Forget the marketing fluff, we're talking real-world impact, potential risks, and what this all means for your job. Buckle up, because this is gonna be a wild ride. So, what is Joule? In a nutshell, it's SAP's attempt to inject AI directly into your business processes. Think of it as a virtual assistant on steroids, designed to automate complex workflows across your entire SAP suite. They're talking about agents that can handle everything from cash collection to customer service, all powered by AI and hooked into SAP's Business Data Cloud. The idea is to break down those departmental silos and make your business run smoother and faster. Sounds great, right? But as always, the devil's in the details. Let's start with the potential benefits for SAP customers. You guys using SAP products every day. The most obvious impact is increased efficiency and productivity. Imagine a cash collection agent that can resolve disputes in seconds instead of hours. That's the promise. We're talking serious time savings and reduced manual effort. But it doesn't stop there. Joule agents are also supposed to help you make better, data-driven decisions. They'll proactively surface relevant information, pulling from all corners of your SAP system, so you're not stuck digging through spreadsheets all day. Think of it as having a smart assistant who anticipates your needs before you even ask. And finally, better data utilization is key here. SAP Business Data Cloud and Knowledge Graph are designed to unlock the value of your data, making it accessible to these AI agents. This means lower operational costs and faster problem resolution. All of this sounds fantastic, but hold on tight. There are some serious risks to consider. First and foremost, data quality is absolutely critical. These Joule agents are completely reliant on the SAP Business Data Cloud and Knowledge Graph. If your data is incomplete, inaccurate, outdated, or, and this is a big one, biased, then these agents are going to make flawed decisions. You know the saying, garbage in, garbage out? It applies here in spades. Imagine an agent recommending a course of action based on faulty data. It could lead to serious business consequences. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a potential disaster. Next up, integration. SAP is promising seamless integration across your existing SAP Business Suite and even non-SAP systems. But let's be realistic, folks. Integration projects are never as easy as they seem. Integration failures, compatibility issues, data synchronization problems, these could all hinder the agent's ability to access the information they need. The promise of a single, trusted data layer is a noble one, but achieving it in reality is going to be a massive undertaking. This is where things can get really messy, really fast. Now let's zoom out and look at the impact on the broader tech landscape. SAP's move puts serious competitive pressure on other ERP and CRM vendors like Oracle, Microsoft, and Salesforce. They're going to have to step up their AI game and fast. We're also going to see increased demand for data management solutions. The importance of a unified and trusted data layer, as emphasized by SAP, is going to drive demand for tools that can clean, integrate, and govern data. And finally, the success of Joule agents could fuel the growth of the broader AI agent marketplace. We might see a surge in companies developing specialized AI agents for all sorts of business functions. Think of it as the App Store, but for AI. This brings us to another risk: overhyping. The marketing around Joule agents is, shall we say, enthusiastic. But what happens if the agents fail to deliver the promised benefits? What if productivity doesn't skyrocket? What if decision-making doesn't improve? This could lead to disappointment, frustration, and a complete loss of confidence in AI solutions. It's crucial to approach this with realistic expectations and avoid getting swept up in the hype. And let's not forget the black box problem. The AI algorithms used by Joule agents are incredibly complex, which can make it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. This lack of transparency can erode trust and make it difficult to hold anyone accountable when things go wrong. Imagine an agent making a critical business decision and nobody knows why it made that decision. That's a recipe for disaster. Transparency and explainability are absolutely essential. Okay, let's go big picture. What are the potential socio-economic impacts of SAP's AI push? On the one hand, we could see increased business competitiveness and economic growth. By boosting productivity and efficiency, AI agents can help businesses compete in the global market. But on the other hand, there's the elephant in the room: job displacement. While AI agents can create new jobs, they're also going to automate tasks currently performed by humans. This could lead to job losses in some areas, requiring workforce retraining and adaptation. This is something we need to take seriously. That brings us to some serious ethical risks. The automation of tasks could lead to job displacement, particularly for employees in roles that involve repetitive tasks. Companies need to consider the ethical implications of this and implement strategies to mitigate the impact, like retraining programs and creating new roles. We also need to be mindful of bias and discrimination. If the data used to train Joule agents contains biases, the agents could perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair outcomes. This is not just a technical problem, it's a moral one. And finally, there are concerns about data privacy and security. The widespread use of AI agents raises concerns about how our data is being collected, stored, and used. We need robust regulations and ethical guidelines to ensure that this technology is used responsibly. So, what does all of this mean for the future of work? Well, it's clear that the focus is shifting from routine tasks to more strategic and creative activities. We're going to need to develop new skills and adapt to a changing job market. This means investing in education, training, and lifelong learning. It also means embracing a mindset of continuous improvement and being willing to adapt to new technologies. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn and evolve. One more thing I want to mention: the risk of SAP lock-in. The architecture described in the article strongly suggests a reliance on SAP's ecosystem. Organizations might find themselves locked into SAP solutions, limiting their flexibility and potentially increasing costs in the long run. It's important to consider this carefully and ensure that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. All right, let's wrap things up. SAP's Joule agents have the potential to be a game changer for businesses. They offer the promise of increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and lower costs. But there are also significant risks to consider, including data quality issues, integration challenges, overhyping, the black box problem, job displacement, and ethical concerns. The key to success is to approach this technology with realistic expectations, mitigate the risks, and focus on data quality, transparency, security, and user training. Is Joule the AI revolution we've been waiting for? Maybe, but it's going to take a lot of hard work and careful planning to make it a reality. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech analysis. See you next time.